How to fix and solve Binance app insufficient margin. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you fix and solve Binance app insufficient margin. So if you are facing this sort of issue, then you could try following the steps. Now first of all, make sure or ensure your funds are in correct wallet types such as spots or margin, and check for any account limit or pending transaction that might impact your balance. You could also go ahead and double check these factors and can help resolve your issues as well. Now likewise, at the same time, what alternative method you could also try is that you could try for an update. So go to the Play Store. Sometimes outdated version can lead to such issue. So to go to Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in Binance and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. So here, if you see update, press the update button and update your application. After which you could try logging into your account and see whether the issue has been solved or not. If not, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and long press the Binance application and make sure to click on the I button or the app info and go to storage and cache. Here you want to go ahead and make sure to clear cache as well as clear data. Now this is going to delete some of your data permanently. Only if you're sure about it, then go through it. Next, what you want to do is make sure to force stop the application for a couple of hours, for a couple of minutes, and at the same time you could go ahead and uninstall the application and reinstall it and restart the device. That can be able to solve your issue all at once. So these are some of the steps to fix and solve Binance app insufficient margin. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.